Hello, this is Naja Okaili. I've just completed my landscaping project with Yardman. I want to thank them for their services and for the tremendous job they have done. They have really exceeded my expectations. Very supportive and very attentive to the details I wanted and to my needs. He and his team has shown a high level of professionalism, integrity, and they've really conducted a good job with the best quality possible, and they have managed to finish their project ahead of time. I'm really satisfied with the outcome in terms of the swimming pool, the landscaping, the tiling, everything that they have done. They have put all their efforts and all the energy and all the integrity to come up with the best project possible. I really want to thank them, and I'm really satisfied with the job that they have done, and I highly recommend them to anyone who wants to landscape their gardens. Thank you.